Think Together is a statewide nonprofit organization that focuses on education, particularly for underserved students in low-income communities and schools. We do really two things. We offer after-school, summer, early childhood programs, so wraparound programs, essentially trying to build a middle-class support system around low-income students. And then we have a school consulting division that does professional development for teachers and administrators to help improve the performance of schools during the school day. We started after a gang shooting in a particular neighborhood in Westside Costa Mesa in Orange County. And in this particular community, the kids were bused to school and they were dropped back in this neighborhood with really nothing to do. And it was a gang territory. So anything for kids to do, the park, the library, anything was in a different gang territory. So the kids were really trapped. And so the parents came to us and said, what we need is a safe, quiet place for our kids to study, get help with their homework, and do some activities. And from that one neighborhood, we've sent over 450 kids to college. We've had kids go to Harvard, we've got a medical doctor, we've had architects, engineers, we've had these great success stories. So we saw that when kids have the right support system, they have the same bell curve of human potential as kids anywhere. And so with the right support, they can achieve really the American dream. In California, we've got 6 million public school children in K through 12 schools, and 2 million of them are failing. There's about 3 million that are on grade level. There's 1 million that are below grade level. This is pre-pandemic, it could be worse. And there's 2 million that are failing by almost any measure. So we're really trying to scale what works in schools, both in the school and then the wraparound services, so that we close that achievement gap for 2 million kids. We call it Project 2 Million. Our mission is to partner with schools to change the odds for kids. And the way we do that with PSUSD has been to support distance learning during COVID, to create these learning hubs for the most vulnerable students and essential worker students during the school year, and then to run summer programs. And we're very focused on aligning with the school day, so complementing what they're doing, but reinforcing the learning that's happening in the school so that kids, it really accelerates their achievement. And then connecting to the workforce and the workforce goals of the community and expanding that. So now that students are back on campus, Think Together's running its more traditional after-school program, which is a comprehensive program that consists of an hour or so of homework help, an hour or so of extended academics, and an hour or so of physical fitness. And we have students about 20 hours a week. So during some of those extra hours, we've got opportunities to do science, technology, engineering, math, and arts curriculum. So it's enriching and engaging and things that they might not get or might not get enough dosage during the school day. So that's our core offering. This year, the legislature put a lot of money in for expanding those programs. So normally we serve about 15% of the students on a campus, and that's going to grow to about half of the students on a campus. So that will grow dramatically. And then there's student learning recovery dollars for targeted tutoring and supports for high school students to make sure for credit recovery and make sure that they're on track to graduate high school and connect to a career pathway or go to college. So our plans in the future of the Coachella Valley is to get knitted more closely with the business community so that we can really work on this partner with One Future on this workforce development work here in the Valley. So really connecting, making sure the kids have the academic support they need, and then mapping to career pathways and to college for them, and then making sure that those maps fuse into the jobs here in the future in the Valley.